Okay, my beautiful friends, sit down, get comfortable because we do have to talk. Seriously, so it is Thursday, November 21st, 2019. It has already begun. No surprise to you at all if you follow this blog. I explained to you yesterday that they were going to revive the China trade talks are going well or moving forward narrative. Well, that's exactly what has happened. According to Bloomberg and other sources, trade talks are going forward. Look, understand how this works. This is not real. It's not true, and it's all fake. It's literally like we are in an alternate reality. Yesterday, when the president found out, or however you want to put it, that these China talks were dead, do you know what he said specifically? This is what he said. I want you to pay attention to the wording. China needs a deal more than me. Not more than the United States. More than he does. I thought this was about the United States of America getting a fair trade deal. Why he needs a deal or doesn't need a deal or whatever it might be, I don't know. You make up your own mind with regard to that. The president is correct, though. We do need a fair trade deal, but it's not about him, although he always makes it about him. It's about the United States of America. And I explained to you yesterday that the scripts were being handed out. Full-blown damage control. The mainstream channels are going to be used as a tool to revive the trade deal, to push stocks higher. That's what this is all about. It's about getting reelected. It's about fake news. And propaganda to the highest order. The lies are going to get much worse. Secondly, jobless claims came in at a 5-month high. Now, if you were paying attention to stock futures, you probably laughed just as I did. Soon as this bad piece of economic news came out, stock futures went up. Bad economic news pushes stocks higher. It's an upside down world we are living in, full of lies, propaganda, fakeries, and falsehoods. You know that. Cryptocurrencies are under pressure. No surprise to you. Gold and silver are under pressure. No surprise to you. With regard to crude oil, continue to buy the dips, people. Crude is going to be propped up at all costs, no matter if it's a real story, a fake story, an engineered attack, a bombing, no matter what it is. This will push the entire energy sector higher, pull the financial sector higher. And yesterday was a real, I'm going to say it's a shit show with regard to Apple and the big affair, Air Force One and everything else. The president getting together with Apple. He must support Apple. You remember that. Why? The market cap of Apple is so big that if Apple goes up, it pulls the stock market with it. It's part of the game. You got that, right? And they're going to get exemptions with regard to tariffs. You can't make this stuff up if you tried. It's an absolute impossibility. So let's summarize real quick. The propaganda ministry, just like I explained to you yesterday, was going to happen. They are going to revive. The trade talks are going well. Fake narrative. They have to do it. And the lies to support it are going to get larger. Mark my words, we're not seeing the end of this by a long shot. And again, another piece of bad economic news pushes stock futures higher. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. But this is where we are in this environment. Everything you can imagine and things you can't think about are going to be used as ploys to prop up the stock market, like the big affair, Air Force One, Tim Cook, President Trump, I must support Apple, buy Apple stock's going to go up, period. This is crazy. Seriously, the Communist Manifesto to the highest order. Anyway, people, this guy right here loves you a lot. Please share this video. I'd love to hear some of your comments on this. And if you see, I happen to be on, I don't know, Market Watch or whatever, you see one of these fake articles trying to revive the fake false narrative, you know it's propaganda with regard to trade talks going well. So make a comment there and say, sure it is. Anyway, I'll see you later.